Hi all, Satvik family. This is all about the activity, what was discussed this morning, and what are the favorite activities we need to do or we keep doing throughout the day while we are so busy on our desk job throughout the day. So my work from home. I'm self-employed, and my work involves a lot of desk job as well. But then I do not sit throughout the day. Every half an hour, every 30 minutes, I just get up and walk throughout my entire house, or I come out here in this balcony outside. Now this balcony has a beautiful view. There is mountains on one side. uh, there is all mountain views, and the other side is it's a sea view. I can see the sea. Half part on the left hand side is sea view, on the right hand side it's all mountains. So I love to come here. I take in some deep breath. I look at the birds around, the parrots, mostly the parrots. A lot of parrots come around here, and this makes me feel very, very good. I just look at the traffic down, passing, children going to school, people, housewife, mothers picking up the children. So all this activity, this diverts my mind and makes me feel very, very good. And sometimes I take a small break to have some small half a cup of herbal tea or the organic coffee. And then the best thing what I like to do is I like to do my creative work of making some jewelry piece. So I create a jewelry, hardly takes me 10-15 minutes, but I have created something new that makes me feel very, very great. So these are the activities which I keep taking in between my throughout the day desk work. But my most favorite activity is going for walks. I love to go for my morning walks or evening walks. Generally it is for 45 minutes, and I also do some yoga for say around 30 minutes, because yoga involves a lot of stretching, all of your different parts of your body, the joints. It's all about mind, body and soul, which helps you keep your body flexible. But then the best and above all, which is closest to my heart, which I deeply love to do, one activity, and that is dancing. Dancing I've been doing for many, many years. Anytime I listen to the music, and then I am just on whether and I involve a lot of dancing activities in all my family birthday parties, marriages, or any event for that reason, or even if we go for any training events, there's a lot of dancing involved every half an hour. Or even if I see some marriage procession going on the road with beautiful loud music, I just join them on the roadside and I start dancing. And of course, not to forget the big Ganpati festival which happens in Mumbai, which involves so much of music. Music just takes me off and I start dancing. So I'll just share a short clip of my dancing. Let me see how can I do that.